My brethren, some of my man them pan the group know Febelax. And Febelax son, cousin. This is youth when we say Christmas. The police call him and they say if he meet him down at Waltham. And the police say, when he reach down there, he let him say soon come. And by the time, before the police come back and pay a gunshot.
First thing him say, and I can remember like yesterday when he come on the road with me. You know, so from school days, yeah, fuck man. And I say to him, all away a friend, my killer. Learn the work, then you can do whatever you want.
Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. So as promised, we are getting an update on what going on between the JDF and the JCF. Saying also want to get an update on what really take place with this brother, Martinus. Alright? Everybody know Martinus. If you're on TikTok, you can't miss that brother. Alright, he was a member of the JDF. And basically the man get some threat upon him 3 points and me was showing how it started and what is really going on, because enough people don't really understand what really take place between this man and some hidden faces who will make some threats. Alright, so we will address that. But first of all, I want to address that commenter where you can see on the screen. I want to understand something. I want everybody to understand something. Based on what this comment is saying, it seems like enough people don't understand what a vlogger is. Alright, so I'm going to briefly bring it to our attention how and what a vlogger does. Alright? So in my previous vlog, I said something about a vlogger from TikTok. Well, he mostly up on TikTok, but the man have some strong opinions on people who go against him artists. Alright? Where the way the man behave about this artist, it seems like say him infatuated by the artist. Alright? And what Jamaicans, well, not only Jamaicans, but human beings overall, you see, once them rate you, nobody can touch you, you know. Yes, man, once, especially Jamaicans, them very tribalistic. Alright, so the artist when he Vibes Cartel, him seem to have a couple fanboys out there, and these fanboys I take it very extreme and it's really disgusting. And I chose to address it in my previous vlog. And this is the comment I got in the comment section. Alright? I don't know if that brother you try to shame me into not speaking about these things. But me will address it. Yes, man. Me will address it and also me will show you what a vlogger does. Alright, so this account commented on the previous video where I addressed the whole TikTokers are fans of Vibes Cartel that are males. I take it too far, so much so that it's on a level of disgust right now. I tell you the truth. Alright, so this brother, well, I assume says a brother, because it surely type like a female. He must say, oh, me have 5 subscribers and oh, me find time to go talk about artists. And what? Me talk about artists with views and all those things. And how weird. Yo, I'm tell you this. You see a vlogger? A vlogger addresses things that are taking place. Alright? And them share them opinion on these things through using these mediums, YouTube, TikTok, whatever the case is. The brother named One Kevin, Zane, he is also a vlogger. And him share film opinions here and there, but him always a glaze over Vibes Cartel. Alright? And I chose to address it as it seems very disgusting, like he is almost in love with this brother, Vibes Cartel. And you know him alone, you know. You have a couple of vloggers out there that are males that are doing the same thing that this One Kevin is doing. And what we want to understand is that it's not a disrespect if it's facts. Alright? It's not disrespect if a facts. How can it be disrespect? How me can diss you and a facts me a point out? See? There's no way you can get up out of your bed every single day and the first thing you come on social media and I talk about this Vibes Cartel and who are this your artists and seriously, Virgin, and you're a grown man with white hair in your face and you're talk about people like this you and them figure S the mother and bag same thing if them go against you, you're glazing over this Vibes Cartel. Then you have several other people out there, you know, vloggers out there, you know, where a glaze over Vibes Cartel, you know, and also glazing over other artists too. I'm finding it to be weird. We never seen them man that come on social media come talk about them father this and them father that, and them rate them father and them father them hero. It's always some people out there where them hold to a very high standard, regardless of them reputation. See? So I don't think pointing out facts are diss me or diss you. I'm a deserve a S your mother for that. I'm a weird because me a state facts. See? So we don't need to check on ourselves before we start comment on people's video. We don't need to understand what a vlogger does. Alright? We don't need to understand what a vlogger does. Same thing with Kevin I do, same thing me I do. See? We just not dwell upon one topic or one person. See? This is what a vlogger does. This is what a vlogger does. Everybody can be a vlogger. Once you take up your phone and you turn it on and point it by yourself, you're basically a vlogger. Alright? So, let us move on now to this issue that is going on with the JDF. I want to understand what going on with the brother named Martinus. In case you don't understand what going on, I want to hear what started the twist in this story where the police claim saying give as statement. Somebody commented in our group where it is a JCF affiliated group, and this is what the person said. Check this out.
Part 2.
I know part with the police right you know. And sell the police in car. And you what I know, you know. And sell the police in car, the police go him $300,000. Said the police set him up. The police go him $300,000 and I go like 1 PM. Anyways, my brethren, some of my man them on the group know Febelak's. And Febelak's son, cousin. This is youth when I say Christmas. And the police call him and they say if he meet him down at Waltham. And the police say, and when he reach down there, he let him say soon come. And by the time before the police come back and pay a gunshot. I said the police set him up. No police now par. But no police now par. Sell the police in car. Police set him up.
Alright, so that person, he was the one that started the whole investigative approach where everybody had take right now. Saying this brother knew the soldier that lost him 3 times at Waltham directly. Alright? And he one of the man that were out there a pro. You understand? And I tell you, the man go under heavy threats and all those things because the man question things. Alright? So for those who don't know what go on and totally oblivious, gonna listen what I say, and then we get into it. Check this out.
So you see a jump on a yard, run about next lane. Man fire shot, you fire a couple shot. You see me if you escape. But look at the entrance of where that lane is. And I'm thinking about it. And I think about it long and hard. And I feel like last night I come on the live, I did too emotional for think before I talk. Now when I start process all of this will happen, you set up my friend. You set up my friend. You set him up for kill him. Yeah, he wanted money for true. But there wasn't no pump. Never have no car difficulties. You see me? You call him down there. You meet him down there. You see me? Them kill him. I don't know stage it. Simple as that. No stage my friend for dead. Them have a sense, yo. People grow up to look like them one another if they're in the same vicinity for too long. You know that? You know, so if you have a baby for a man and the baby stay around that man for a period of time, them look alike. So I'm going to say it to you. You realize that the whole of we look alike? All of we will go spoil inside? We have a slight resemblance because the whole of we grow near one another. So now, if you honestly tell me what God love, what really happened, my friend? Because it not add up.
Alright, people, before we're going to further, I have to say shout out to my sponsor, treasureyard.com. That's treasure yard with a Z. It's not treasure with a S, alright? If you go up on treasure with a S, that's the wrong one. treasuryard.com is basically a place where you can post anything you're selling, like a house, car, parts. You want sell your services. For instance, if you're a mechanic, that's the place you can post up your profile. All right, it's the best place right now in Jamaica to post everything. So a little place them like jacars.com and realtor.com and them places is nothing like treasuryard.com. Treasuryard.com have everything in a one place. All right, and plus it's Jamaica owned. All right, it's not no overseas European country owned this thing. Cause you know say jacars.com and them places are being owned by these white guys. See, so it's a Jamaican man owned this treasuryard.com, a marketplace where you can post everything for free. So you can post up to 5 listings free, and if you use this promo code you see on the screen right now, just scan it and sign up. You can get 1 month free pro features. All right, so sign up now.
Welcome to treasuryard.com.
If you call him down there, and you feel give him some money, me believe say last night me did emotional. Last night when me just hear the statement, me never I think me did just upset and me want the girl to go turn in herself because me is upset. But this morning, 12 o'clock when me get the message, you see me, it nah click. In all our departments, remember, you know, at the end of the day, we are Jamaicans and people are going to look out for them one another. People are going to protect them family and people are going to ensure so that the right thing come to the media. But my question is, I can put up a different picture because they might not know him like that. Some put up a better picture. Alright, so everybody used to that. That when you see all over media, right? That when you see. And people are going to say, oh, you left army, you're on a business with army business. I'm a friend this. We go to school. The first time he come a road, me and him. And he never called me by McIntyre. He called me by what them used to me at school.
People may have to like, share, and subscribe, you know. Like, share, and subscribe. Because somebody has told me a while ago in the comment section about me only have 5 subscribers. Let's put that person to shame. 5 subscribers we have. Let's see if we can bring it up to 1,000.
First thing him say, and I can remember like yesterday when he come on the road with me. You know, so from school days, yeah, fucker man. I'ma say to him, all our way a friend, my killer. Learn the work, then you can do whatever you want. Perfect example. Everybody will go spall inside with me if you're deep on the live. Comment when they call me at school. When me left Calabar my spallings, they go comment and tell you when they used to call me. All if you know say me and him. Run up and down at school, flick up and down, play football. See that? All for town, man. Realize that all I want to just like for talk instead of listen and try to analyze the situation. You see? So now, we never say gun can't stick. You see me? The gunman, if the gunman gun really stick, him weapon actually stick, the police should have enough time to kill him. Reason being, you have different stoppages when it comes to pistol. You see? It's when it double feed, you have to...
Yeah, criminals are supposed to know how to remedy stoppages, so like, share, subscribe.
And if it clutch with 2 rounds in there, normally you have to tilt it to the right.
Yeah, so him still explain how to remedy stoppages. Me not think like Jamaican criminals need to understand, know this thing. Alright, so let me go and talk over that section. Yeah, people, so like, share, subscribe.
Time could have killed that man. So what you want to say to me now, it now make no sense. This none of the story now make no sense. And my weapon don't have no stoppages. The bad man gonna have stoppages. Why me not pump 5 in him? Why me never pump a whole heap in him? Why me not call for my friend and pump some in him? But my friend already dead back of the car. Right? So how is it that it makes sense to me for all I wanna say me not know what me I talk about? This is not a M1 rifle, which is a light operated, gas operated weapon, air cool magazine fed weapon. Right? When it have stoppages or double feed, where you have to clear your weapon, take off your magazine, clear out inside of it, pull it if you have to pull it and set it back if you have to set it back and reload, charge back your weapon and start take fire. This is a pistol we're talking about. Very easy for remedy. And if a gunman enough to remedy that weapon in time, you have enough time to get rid of the threat, which is the gunman is the threat. So now all around the pan media, yap. You don't even know what I talk about. Him this bad man, bad woman. How much gun on a fire? How want to remedy your stoppages? If your gun jam or your weapon jam, how do you remedy stoppages? Then the man a get a fight with him weapon for pull off the magazine and try to pull back the top with chest up to cock it. If he runs jump out with lodging at it. And if it depends safety, he have to try to flick it off for safety fast. You have enough time between to clap him skin and get away or find your friend.
Alright, people. So, based on this police statement, he must say how man try put him in the yard with at fire stick point. So, the man basically point the thing upon him and I tell himself to go in the yard. So, the man, him resist and the man fire stick basically never light. So, him basically push off the man and then pull out for him fire stick and I try light it. I try to light the man with the fire stick, but it don't work, you understand? So, according to him, the man get couple light and stumble in the yard and he take away himself. And when he take away himself and jump couple fences, he end up on a street where some other man is stand up on a corner and see him and immediately start to light them fire stick after him. That is story didn't add up none at all. So me I tell you what really happened. Stay tuned.
But you already know some of my friend lie down this upon the ground, right? Because you say when you're gone, you hear barrage or gunshot. Right? The reason why you don't pick down this of a car my friend go is because you don't know down there. Remember now, the car where I drive is not his own. There is a next soldier in the camp vehicle. And he might bother him all night and want the money to go clear him vehicle a wharf. Right? So what the problem now? Me don't know what me talk about? The vehicle down there park face out to the road. So I'm telling you to turn around the vehicle and park this up. Me not done. Everything that take time and unfold and that make sense. The police, I don't care what you want to tell me, say me charge you. I don't care the word you want to tell me, say. Oh no. Say all of that stage. And your uniform, when you go back inside, your clothes, you go back in the station with, you realize, say, you're not on a scratch on it. You're not on a scar. You say dog bite you. And we check your uniform, no dog bite in the uniform. What that I tell we say? What that I say? Chargy, all I wanna talk, when for doing the research, and you wanna talk about gun and don't even know about weapon. When better no don't talk. You see me? You hear somebody say something, try analyze what man I try to say. I was trying to say that the man pull him weapon and if it depends safety or it stick yes or no, may have time for clap him skin. Holy, cause by the time you realize say safety depend. And which man knowing say he might go kill somebody that put him weapon upon safe? Huh? Oh God. Using the head. Come off of this man, I'm not fool your fuck.
So, this is how me think what take place, see? And based on the whole heap of story them are going at the groups and all sort of things about what take place with this Waltham Park knockings. Me I tell you say, this is how them owe the youth him money. Alright? The police tell him say, yo, follow me go down so I collect some money from the youth. You understand? Because, you know, certain police, them live certain areas. Or them affiliated with certain areas. Because mostly get up people in the police force and the army. Alright? So, you know, say, them have ties to garrisons and all sort of things. You see me? So, the soldier follow the police go down there because, you know, some of my friend and things. So, him not really think, say, the police are going to try to harm him over for him own things. You understand? And at this now, them basically ambush him and light him up. And then now, I try to stage the whole thing and create a story, a smoke screen around this thing. Send out things in a like WhatsApp group, like say yo a girl named Kim. Him basically solicitate him down there and back a same thing and I saw him get him 3 points last and bag of same thing, and the police did have to escape with him 3 points because him couldn't save the soldier. Yeah, man. Smoke screen that. Based on where me hear so far and all the stories that circulate, me can tell you say are the police involved in dashing away this soldier. Alright? And there are tensions right now between police and soldier. What me say? Police and soldier, I mean like the young one them. Yeah, man. The young soldier and the young police them. You know, so them have them ego and them gonna try to exercise certain privilege where they have on either sides. You know, so you know, say the soldiers them support the police when they go up on apps. And right now, the police them get certain training to, you know, where them basically minimize the amount of soldier support them need. You understand? But you know, say soldiers still way more competent than police. Alright? Especially the one them were trained outside of the JNSC program. You know, so them they're well competent. Alright? But you see, even the one that will get trained in the JNSC program, if them take up like a commander course, you know, say them still are gonna bring themselves to a level where them fully trained. Alright? And enough of them are take them course nowadays because them young and them fit and everything. So them still outdo the cops them. Anyways. But that is my take on this thing. Yeah? You can share your thoughts in the comment section. And remember, if you get the likes and the subscribers up, them are shame about 5 subscribers. Zine, I'm not take them a shame. I'm going to take the shame out of my eye and just subscribe to the channel. We could see if we can hit 1,000 subscribers. And I will be staying on top of this topic and bringing more information as soon as I can. Well, the information that I can bring forward to you. So now stay tuned. Alright, so before we close out the video, let us see what's going on with this Iraq business. Iran. The whole of the Middle East basically at odds right now because of one set of people. You know, the little people and what them say they are chosen by God. And the land where Iran depend and Gaza depend are for them land. So this brother will give you the 411 for what take place over there and what Iran said to Donald Trump.
The Iranians are too smart. They said, correct me if I'm wrong, but the statement is, if America bombs us, we hit Israel with everything we have because we treat Israel as an extension of America. We don't separate the two. If Israel attacks us, we hit the American bases because Israel and America are the same. Our target deck will not change. If you want a war with us, we'll bomb the same targets regardless of who starts the war. That's just the truth. That's what the Iranians have said. And I believe them. I believe them. I believe that if the United States bombed Iran, Tel Aviv would be turned upside down that night. So there's no best case scenario for Israel. Israel's in an existential crisis of its own making by defining Iran as the greatest threat in the world to Israel and therefore a threat that needs to be taken out. They've basically allowed for only one solution that's politically acceptable, but that's a solution they can't execute. They can't achieve. So they have a political problem. Donald Trump is fortunate that he hasn't painted Iran into that corner yet. Iran right now is purely a nuclear problem. Marco Rubio is trying to make it a ballistic missile problem. But I think that the more the Iranians just say, look, you know, we don't want a war. But the only reason why we're here today is because we have these missiles that you're scared of, and we're not giving them up. If you want us to give them up, you have to not only pull all your aircraft carriers away. Here's the deal. This is what I would tell them. We'll take our missiles off of frontline status and put them in storage spaces. You take your aircraft carriers and put them into port. And then as you decommission your aircraft carriers, we'll decommission our missiles. Meanwhile, we want inspectors on the ground in Israel making sure that all of their airplanes have been throttled down so they can't fly long distances. We don't want any Israeli aircraft that can reach Iran. And what reach Iran means they can't fly into Iraq and fire their standoff missiles. So you eliminate Israel's long-range strike capability verifiably. You eliminate your ability to, and then we'll get rid of the missiles. Fair's fair, right? Because anything else is just setting Iran up to be destroyed. The only reason why Iran exists today is because of its long-range ballistic missile program. That's it. That's the only reason.
People share your thoughts on that. in the comment section. But what people don't understand is that, you know, the reason why you see the USA is so powerful, you know, because them invest them money. Them invest in a artillery and the military. Alright? Them don't really have nothing for back them money. Remember, you know, the dollar is being, well, it's being contested by BRICS. I know say BRICS are farm right now. Alright, so US basically are trying to maintain them power by bullying other countries. Alright, and you know say them proxy is the smaller people them. Big nose people them, Andrew family them, yeah. Them people they control the East. Well, them are trying to control the East right now. But Iran now will lead on them back at no point in time. They might retaliate. And this is what is taking place right now.
So, this congressman in the US said that Jamaica will feel the consequences for what Prime Minister Andrew Holness said as it relates to the humanitarian crisis in Cuba. Congressman, the blood of Jesus is against you. Andrew Holness is not a mouthpiece for America, nor Donald Trump. Prime Minister Andrew Holness speaks for the people of Jamaica on behalf of the people of Jamaica, and he said nothing that should upset anybody. Yeah? And to the Prime Minister, finally you have spoken up, because we've been saying that anything that happened to one small island nation can happen to the other. And what is going on in Cuba is ungodly. Yeah? And the fact that Cuba is a dictatorship doesn't mean that they should be pressured the way America is dealing with them, because America is in business with China, and China have the same kind of government as Cuba. So before you start bullying Cuba or continue bullying Cuba, then you need to stop the business with China. So leave the Prime Minister alone. I am defending Prime Minister Andrew Holness today because he's my Prime Minister, and what he said is correct. Cuba is our neighbor, and if the humanitarian crisis continue, Cubans will start ending up in Jamaica, and they're going to end up in America too. Yeah? And people are people. You have a problem with the government, and then again, what is it that Cuba has really done to America for this embargo? Over 50 odd years. Time come to lift the embargo on Cuba.
I tell you to figure scratch?
No, man.
Bro.
I
Yeah. Look at me. Did I tell you to freaking move?
No, ma'am.
Run.